Welcome to VLSI classes. This is the first lecture on the Verilog tutorial. Hi, I am Digvijay Kodia. I am a research scholar at NIT Bhopal. Verilog. Verilog is a hardware descripting language. It is a language used for describing a digital system like network, switch, microprocessor, memory and a flip-flop. Guys, it means a Verilog is a language used to model a electronic circuit. Verilog is most commonly used design and the verification of digital circuits. Second one, Verilog uses gate level design abstraction. It means the minimum design abstraction is gate level. That's third one. Verilog is similar to C programming language, but C programming is a sequential language, but the Verilog is a concurrent language. Fourth one, all fabrication vendors provides Verilog HDL libraries for synthesis and the simulation. It means our Verilog is a vendor independent. We can use Altera software also. We can use Xilinx for running the Verilog coding. HDL, Hardware Description Language, is a specialized computer language used to program digital logic circuit. Guys, it simply means that HDL is a computer language used to program electronic and digital circuit. Second one, HDL are used to simulate the circuit and check its response. It means circuit can be simulated by giving it signal similar to a signal expected in the real world. Third one is many HDL are available, but the most popular are, as we know, VHDL and the Verilog. Next is roles of HDL. First is design specification, second is design simulation, third is design synthesis. First is specification, detailed definition of component, functionality and the interface. What is exactly expected from the circuit now is a specification part. What are the component to be used, functionality to be expected of the circuit and the interfaces that are to be employed in the circuit. Second is simulation. It simply means verify system performance and the functional correctness prior to design specification. Third is design synthesis. Automated generation of hardware designs. It means synthesis is a process of converting a high level description design into a gate level representation. Next one is importance of HDL. Guys, with the emergence of VLSI, it is not possible to verify the complex design with the millions of gates on a breadboard. That's why HDL come into existence to verify the functionality of the circuit. We also said that HDL will probably the only method for large digital circuits. Second one, designers can be described at very abstraction level by the use of HDL. Designer can write the RTL description without choosing a specific technology. Guys, if a new technology emerges, designer do not need to redesign the circuit for the specific technology. They simply input the RTL description to the logic synthesis tool. That's all for today. If you like my content, please like and subscribe to our channel. One thing, if you have any query regarding to Verilog tutorial, please comment in the comment box. Thank you guys.